We are so excited today because we are going to Grandma's homeschool cooking to learn how to cook Thai food.
The pickup service has just arrived. This is the start of our day.
Today, my name Jimmy, Jimmie. Today I'm gonna be driver and kitchen assistant.
We're headed to the Jaru market. We're gonna get some ingredients for our cooking class today. We haven't been to any market since we've been here, so it's gonna be a good experience.
Let's go. This is our local market. I'll introduce you ingredients that we use in menu today.
Okay.
Okay. 6 menu today.
6.
6. Super tasty, this one.
Each one of the takeaway bags are 40 baht, and then if you add the rice, it's 10 baht, so it's 50 baht for the meal.
Alright, we're gonna walk around the market and show you some of the weird and wonderful things that we've seen here.
So the market is basically broken up into sections like a grocery store would be. They have a section for curry paste, they have the fruit section, the vegetable section.
We are just walking around the fruit section of the market, looking at all this amazing fruit. They have so many different varieties, it's absolutely incredible. It looks like a lime, but I've been told that it is in fact an orange, which is crazy to think about because an orange should be an orange, right? Also, check out these cute bananas. Look at the size difference between these small ones and the normal supermarket banana. The last thing I want to show is these tiny pineapples. Look at them, they're so small compared to the actual normal size pineapples.
I think it's really cool that the cooking school takes you to the market first so you can learn about the ingredients that you're going to be using when you're preparing the dishes. All right, now we're making our way to the farm. It's about a 10-minute drive from the market.
Welcome to Grandma.
We've just arrived at Grandma's home cooking school. This place looks absolutely amazing. We're going to be cooking outdoors. I've never done that. This is going to be so cool. We have made our menu selection, so let's run through it. Soup, what are you getting?
We're doing the chicken coconut soup and hot and sour shrimp.
I decided to go for my main meal, cow soy chicken. What did you go for?
The green chicken curry.
I think we both went for the pad thai option, but I got mine in chicken and yours is in
shrimp.
Nice.
Desserts.
Dessert.
Mango sticky rice. I am beyond excited for this. We have the cutest cooking stations. All of our ingredients are set up. But before we start cooking, we're gonna go over to the refreshment section and have some tea, and then we're gonna take a tour of the farm.
The area in which Grandma's home cooking school is just has such a nice, peaceful, relaxing, zen-like feel to it.
I cannot stop smiling. This is the cutest. Oh, I love it here.
Thank you so much.
Thai farm.
Thai farm bamboo hats.
Thai farmer.
Look at your
Let's go
basket.
this way, please. Galangao or Thai ginger.
Okay.
Oh.
This is a plant of galangao.
So Thai ginger, what is it
Thai
called?
ginger, galangao.
Galangal.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it smells like
different.
ginger.
Yeah. This flower, butterfly pea.
Okay.
Butterfly pea give the blue color, strong blue in our mango sticky rice.
Just making a little collection
Yeah.
of vegetables.
Yeah. Next one, bird's eye chili. Bird's eye chili, the hottest in Thai kitchen.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's it. That's
Yes,
the full
that's
size.
it. Yeah, full
No
size.
way.
Yes, full size of organic version. You can
So-
taste the hottest in Thai kitchen.
Ali, you're gonna
Level
taste it?
20 out of 10.
Nah.
Should he just pop it in his mouth right now?
Yes.
No.
Yeah.
Then you'll have to do the entire video.
I do not want to eat this. No way. The
spiciness rating is a 20 out of 10. Like, it smells vicious. Look at this. Look how small it is. Absolutely, size does not matter.
Yes.
There you go.
We've gone on a farm tour. We've learned all about the organic vegetables that they grow here. We've smelled them, and now we're actually going to use them in our food that we're about to make.
As part of the Thai cooking class, we also get drinks. I ordered the Thai milk tea, and Holly ordered the world's most beautiful drink.
It is. It's purple. It's the butterfly pea flower. And look how beautiful this is. This one's really good. Very sweet, very beautiful, very refreshing. So this is basically like a purple lemonade.
I ordered the Thai milk tea. You see people drinking this everywhere, and I can see why people drink this all the time because it is so delicious. There's a strong correlation between the deliciousness and how much sugar they put in. This one is packed with sugar, which is fantastic.
The first step for any good chef is to put on the apron. So
You're gonna
I'm gonna have to take the hat off. Got the apron.
Everyone knows if you have an apron, it improves your cooking by like at least 20%. So.
I decided to keep his all nice and separate. Meanwhile, mine is all in one big pile. We're gonna move it from the cutting board to the mortar.
Need to hear the sound of stone.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is actually weirdly satisfying. Beating it all to a mushy pulp. I'm making the cow soy paste and Holly's got different ingredients. I think hers is green curry paste. But it's satisfying.
You can hear it all around the farm.
Yeah.
Ooh, that was a workout. So now we're gonna scoop out.
Well done. Beautiful. Beautiful paste.
Chef Ali over here.
Ooh, that smells so fresh. That does not smell processed at all.
Ooh, it smells really.
Suddenly I got a huge
Good.
wave of the coconut milk.
Smells so good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now we have the
Thai
fish
perfume.
sauce. Thai
One
perfume.
tablespoon.
1 table. Okay, so the big one.
So I put this fish sauce and now this.
And Swiss lime.
Okay.
Grandma
So I
style.
want to squeeze lime the grandma style. Hopefully I get it right. So it's, oh look at that. Going straight into the bowl. Yo, that is so cool.
5-minute soup.
5 minutes, yes.
We're now gonna get to enjoy our soup that we made in only 5 minutes. I have the hot and sour shrimp soup, and Ali made the coconut chicken soup. It's delicious. It's so fresh. And the fact that we made it ourselves, I'm so proud of us.
I don't think I've had a fresher soup than this. Like we literally just picked out the ingredients and cooked it all within 20 feet. Holly's right, like that is unreal. Yeah, I'm gonna try Holly's and Holly's gonna try mine and see who
We're
made
just
the
gonna
better
do a little
choice.
soup swap.
That's good, but I think I prefer mine. Yeah, I think it's got a lot to do with the chef.
Huh, this coconut smells so good.
This is your first time having soup.
No, I just wanted to get a mouthful of everything at once.
Can't take her anywhere. Look at that mess.
The flavors are different, but I think this coconut broth wins. You're right. We're making the pad thai. There are 5 steps to make pad thai. The first step is the tofu and the shallots. The second step is the shrimp. Third step, the egg. Then the sauce with the noodles, and then finally the vegetables.
Sprout beans and carrots, and then chives. That looks so pretty.
All right, chef. Time to plate your pad thai.
I have cooked my pad thai. It looks delicious, smells delicious. It's time for Holly to cook hers. Let's see how she does.
All right, it's pad thai time. Think I'm ready? Okay, gonna first things first. Shrimp are looking good. When you have the right ingredients and you have the right tools, cooking is easy. I'm the right instructor. We're giving all of the ingredients a nice good stir. Almost finished. Really doesn't take long to make pad thai. It's pretty fast. Welcome to Bangkok. Yeah. Final step is to add a little bit of peanut. It's time to go enjoy our pad thai.
I don't know, food just hits different when you cook it yourself. Let's have a taste of this.
First of all, you plated it beautifully. It looks really nice.
Professional, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'm not saying this because I cooked it, but that might be the best pad thai ever. It is really, really good.
Yeah, you're right. This is one of the best pad thais out. Good job. Very good, very good. Now, try mine. For some reason, I have a feeling it's gonna taste the same. Delicious. No winner. We both win. We ate all of it. So good. I think Ali's right. There is something different about food when you make it yourself. You put more love into it. You put everything into it so that it tastes a little bit better. You can taste the difference.
Now it is time for our third course. Let's get it.
The next meal that we're making is the curry. So I'm gonna make a green curry using the curry paste that we made earlier. So that's the first step. We're putting the curry paste into our pan.
Ali, how does it smell?
Oh, delicious. So fresh.
This is my dish. It's cow soy. This is Chiang Mai's dish, effectively. I can't wait to try it out.
We've already had soup, we've had pad thai, and now this is our third dish, and this is the curry one. This coconut broth the coconut curry is so good. We made the paste earlier in the day, and you can definitely taste so many flavors, but the coconut is the strongest.
I have opted for the cow soy curry, and let's get stuck in. I gotta say, between the noodles and the crispy noodles on top, this is
Your favorite dish?
No, second favorite. Second favorite. I think the last meal that I had was really good.
Pad thai.
Uh-huh.
Now it's time to see what Ali has made here. If he did this northern Thai dish justice. That's really good. Okay, so between these two, definitely prefer your cow soy. They're both really good, but there's just something so yummy about this broth. And I like the crispy noodles on top. Don't let the green color put you off.
Yeah, there's something about it that's just a bit... But I'm sure it's gonna be delicious. I like yours. It's a lot more milder, but I gotta say mine is the better choice.
We've just finished with our curries. They were both delicious. I'm so glad that we get to try two different ones.
I'm gonna be pretty honest, I'm getting full really quickly. The meals that we've had here have just been delicious.
The best. The next thing we're gonna be making is the deep fried spring roll. So we're gonna chop up our ingredients.
Yes.
Right, we have stir fried all of our vegetables, put a dash of pepper, and now we're gonna deep fry them and make spring rolls.
This is the technique.
Yes.
Slides in.
Yes. Fun.
It is fun. That was very fast.
Your turn. Now we will make color of sticky rice with butterfly pea flour.
Pretty.
Oh, nice.
Yes. Boil with coconut milk.
The coconut milk is mixing in with the pea flowers to make it turn purple. We just made the dessert called mango sticky rice. This one is special because it is purple. We made our hedgehog-like mango, and then we mixed our rice with some mung beans and some sesame seeds. Ready to try? Okay, now we've got our papaya salad. We have our spring rolls, mango sticky rice. Let's try our deep fried spring rolls. Sauce is so yummy.
Oh.
Look at this crispy golden crunch. I'm gonna dig into this papaya salad. I've never had papaya salad before. I'm gonna definitely say this has won me over. It's so fresh. It's very light. You don't really need any kind of salad dressing or anything with it.
I've been saving the best till last. mango sticky rice. I'm going to take a bit of the mango, some of the purple blue rice, which looks gorgeous, dip it in the milk. That is phenomenal. It's crunchy, it's creamy, it's sweet, it's really good.
Should I just pour this over it? We just got some mung bean, sesame crunch. Oh yeah, this is delicious. We've definitely been missing out. We have not been eating mango sticky rice after our meals. We're gonna have to add this to it. We had the best day at Grandma's homeschool cooking class. Highly, highly recommend it if you are in Chiang Mai and you want to learn how to cook authentic Thai food. Grandma's homeschool cooking has all kinds of packages, so if you want to do a half day, a whole day, they have different menus also based on the day of the week. So we're gonna link all of the information in the description below. Thank you so much for watching our Grandma's Homeschool Cooking Vlog.